Hello and welcome. My name is H.S. Negi and today I am going to address a topic called computer fundamentals. So let us understand what computer is and how does a computer work. So this entire process we will try to understand 4 steps. So step number 1. First we will try to understand step number 1. So step number 1 is computer is an electronic machine or device which accepts data and stores it, and after processing converts data into information. Okay? Basically what happens, computer takes raw data and process it, and after processing converts raw data into information. Like 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So 2 plus 3 is basically the raw data, and the result what we get is 5 is information. So this is step number 1. Now let us try to understand step number 2. So computer performs arithmetical and logical operations. So first of all we will try to understand what is arithmetical operations. Arithmetical is basically comprises of 2 things. One is arithmetic and number 2 numeric. So it is a combination of arithmetic and numeric. Now let us try to understand what is arithmetic. So arithmetic is nothing but operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. And numeric is basically the numbers from 0 to 9. For example, 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So 4 is number, plus is arithmetic, again 6 is number. So only then the processing takes place and then we get the result as 10. So this is step number 2. Now we will try to understand what is logical operations. So logical operations are nothing but conditions like greater than, smaller than, greater than equal to, smaller than equal to. For example, if anybody secured marks greater than equal to 60% in any subject, or the average is greater than equal to 60, then generally he would be placed in first category. Let's see the step number 3. So step number 3 is computers act like a human brain. Okay. So first of all we will try to understand how does human brain work. So in picture you can see that basically humans take inputs through their 5 senses, like from eye, ear, taste, etc. So generally we take input through our sense organ, and then processing takes place at our brain, and that processing takes place as per our memory, because memory is there, and then we give output by speaking, by writing, or by action. So this is how human brain works. So similarly, computer works like a human brain. So that we'll try to understand how does computer work. So actually computer takes input through its keyboard and mouse and other input devices, and then processing takes place at the CPU, which is also known as the brain of the computer, and it takes because memory is there, and then after processing we get output through monitor and printer. So that was step number 3, and now we'll try to understand this is step number 4. Computer never gets tired. It works regularly day to night with the same speed and accuracy. Whereas if you compare it with human beings, then humans get tired after working few hours. So I think you have understood the entire process, how does computer, what computer is and how the computer works. That's all for today. Thank you very much.